Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get rid of forgetting to do the same task every day using an Android smartphone or tablet. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly, just open any web browser. And in the Google search, just search for one application named as Table Habit by PreSL23. So on the first list, you will see the developer website. Just click on it and just scroll down below. Now you will see here releases. Just tap on it. Now just scroll down. So now you can see tons of APK files. So you can download the first one or the second one, whichever APK file is supported on your respective Android smartphone. So I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install the respective APK files, and after that just open the application. Now as I have already been using it, so you can see some tasks already being showing here. So you can see all the daily tasks that I have added, and whether it's completed or not I can just check out. So if you want to create a new task, then you can just click on the new habit button icon at the right bottom corner, and you can give any name, whatever name you want to give. So just to give an example, and below you can add your task. If you want it at daily or anything, whichever you want, you can set your respective dates, and you can set your respective goal days. You can select for the 1 year almost also. So I'll just keep it as this, and once you're done, just click on the save, and it will be shown on this screen. So you can see at the bottom the new task I have added. So if you want to check out all the completed tasks of your everyday, then just tap on the respective tasks, and you can see all the completion, which day have been completed or which day you have not done this work. You can just track and see all the records under the respective options. And on the right top corner you can see the settings option, and here you will see some options to customize depending upon your needs. And below here you can see a settings option, so you can set the first day of week as a Monday or whichever day you want. And below you can see the date display format, habit check area, radio adjustments, and you can enable the compact UI on habits also. So once you enable it, what it really happens, so you can see it's displayed in the compact manner. And if you don't like the compact UI, then you can just disable it. And below to it is a drag calendar by page, so this is enabled by default. And you can see the change record status. You can check everything, tap, double tap or long tap, and open detailed records. As you can see here, everything. And you can set a daily reminder also. If you want a reminder, then you can just enable this option. And one plus point about this application is that you can export, that is you can backup, and later on you can import or restore it, and you can reset the configurations. And below there are more options. If you want to try a develop mode, then you can just enable it, and you can see more options below showing up. So right now I'll just disable it, and the next to it is a clear CC, and the last one is about the application. So on the left top corner you will see one more option here, how much is being completed, in progress, archive. So you can see the total details here, everything. So if you have a habit of forgetting to do the same task every day, then in my opinion this application will help you to get rid of those forgetting problems to do the same task every day. So you should definitely check this cool application, and I'm sure this application will make your life easier to keep doing the same task every day. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.